Hello everyone, I am Ghulam Abbas. I hope you guys are fine and doing great. This video I'm going to show you how you can check if your hard drive is GPT or MBR. It is very crucial that you know before performing a clean installation on the computer. There are several methods that you can check it, but I'm going to start with the very easiest method. The thing is that you have to simply press Windows X on the keyboard or right click on the taskbar, and then you'll have to choose disk management. Once the disk management is opened, from here you can see that at the moment I have only two disks attached to this computer. Just right click on the disk, zero, and then choose properties. And from there you can see that here is nothing at all regarding to the partition style. For that you have to go to the volumes, and here you can see that the partition style is GUID partition table known as GPT. If I have closed this, right click on the second drive and again go to the properties, sorry, the disk, and then volumes. It is master boot drive and MBR it is. So you can see that this is the very first method that you can check if your PC's hard drive is GPT or MBR. Okay, this is the very first method which can work even the Windows 7. So there is the other method, and that is the Windows settings. You can see that Microsoft is simply moving all the settings from the control panel into the Windows settings step by step. So since 2015 we have noticed it, there's a lot of changes they have brought from there to here. So if you want to check the basically GPT or MBR, if your hard disk is that one, you have to simply open the settings, go to the system, and from there you have to go to the storage. And from there you'll have to simply click this option, which is advanced storage settings, and from there you will have to choose disks and volumes. Click open, and from here you can see that basically here are two disks attached to this computer. Here is the Samsung SSD 860 Evo, and here is the Microsoft virtual disk. So just click here, properties will appear, and then click on it. You can see that here is the partition style, which is GUID partition table known as GPT. You can also do the same thing with the drive properties, and you can see that this time it is master boot drive known as MBR. You can also convert it to the GPT. This is the second method that you can check if your hard drive is GPT or MBR. Now let's go ahead and check the third method, and that is basically CMD. Just press Windows R on the keyboard and then type their disk port, then press OK. Okay, once the disk port is open, you'll have to simply type list disk, then press enter. So here you can see that here is disk 1, sorry, disk 0, and which is basically the SSD, and here is also disk 1, which is this drive known as test, a virtual hard disk. So you can see that under the GPT you will see this sign. It means that this drive is GPT. If you do not see the same sign in front of disk 1, then it means it is not a GPT. It means it is an MBR. So to put it simply, if the main drive is booted using the GPT or MBR, you will see this sign. Else you will see nothing. So this is all the three methods that I know how you can check if your drive is your hard drive is GPT or MBR. So do not forget to subscribe IntoGuide YouTube channel, and I'll meet you guys in the next video. So have a nice day and goodbye.